Have you ever been on the internet and found a video or a photo you weren't sure if it was real or if it was fake? Did you ever wonder, is there a way to determine that? Well, today I'm here to tell you that there is, using digital forensics. And I'm going to show you how you can do this on your own. Now, there's a lot of software out there that people use to do this. The one I'm using is Forensically, as you can see. This is free software. The link for it is in the description. You don't have to install anything. It works right in your own browser. You also don't have to be online, as if you've been disconnected from the internet or if you're not online to begin with, as long as it's already loaded in your browser, it'll still work. So we're going to take a look at our fisherman friend here. He's really happy. He caught a fish the size of his boat, right? The first thing that we're going to need to do is look at the JPEG analysis. Now, if you go on the right here on your toolbar, scroll down and just look at the JPEG analysis. Under the quantization tables, it shows us our quality is at 93. We're going to use that later on when we take a look at the error level analysis. Now, error level analysis, what it does is it takes a look at the digital signatures of the file. Every file that's created when you take a photo or when you take video has digital signatures that are involved in every pixel of that image. And when you use software to modify that, it also modifies the digital signatures. So those will be different from the original file. So we're going to look at this file, we're going to look at the digital signatures of this file, and we're going to see if there's anything that stands out. So we'll click at the error level analysis. This is also referred to as ELA. And then we're going to set our JPEG quality to 93. That's that number that we got earlier. So I'll just scroll here on with my mouse wheel. And now that we have it at 93, we can see that our fish here stands out very differently than the rest of the image. Notice how the background, there's a lot of blacks and orange, and the fishing rod is pink. There's a lot of pinks and blues, but then the fish itself is almost entirely blue. That tells us that these digital signatures are very different from the rest of the image. These digital signatures are different because they've been changed. It's been modified from when it was originally chosen. And I think it stands out at the most if you look at the fin of the fish compared with the boat behind the fin. Now, if this hadn't been modified, the digital signatures right between those two should not be as different as they are. We've got a lot of these amber and orange colors in this boat, but the blue right in front of it, that shouldn't be that different. They should be really close to the same, and they're dramatically different. The other thing we're going to take a look at is the metadata of this file. And we'll just click here on our toolbar. That brings up a lot of information. If we scroll down here, we can see that the original photo was taken in 2004. We can also see it was taken with a Nikon camera. But what we also see is that this was modified. It shows us this was modified in 2013. So quite a while after it was originally taken. And they were using Adobe Photoshop, and this was done on a Macintosh. So right there we've caught them red-handed, as if the digital signatures weren't enough. The metadata, there's no way getting around that. So I hope this video has been eye-opening for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask those in the comments, and I'll try and get to them. Also, if you want me to look at a video or a photo that you found, you can do that. Just send it to me in the email in the description of this video, and we'll be taking a look at a lot of videos that we find, and photographs from all over the world, as we discover how to use this, ourselves and determine this. So I hope this has been useful for you, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button, get subscribed. This is exciting for me. I think it'll be, I think other people will enjoy it too. We finally have a way to determine if something's been if something's CGI, if or it's not, or if it's been photoshopped, or if it's not. So hope you have a great day and enjoy yourself.